What time do you wake up?
I wake up around 7 a.m.
How do you like your coffee?
I like my coffee black with a bit of sugar.
What's your usual breakfast?
I usually have toast and fruit for breakfast.
Do you have a morning routine?
Yes, I start my day with a quick workout and a shower.
How do you get to work?
I drive to work.
How do you relax after work?
I relax by reading a book or watching TV.
Do you exercise daily?
Yes, I go for a jog every morning.
What's your typical lunch?
For lunch, I usually have a sandwich or salad.
Do you cook or eat out more?
I mostly cook at home, but I eat out on weekends.
How often do you shop for groceries?
I shop for groceries once a week.
What's for dinner usually?
Dinner is usually pasta or a stir-fry.
Do you have any food allergies?
I don't have any food allergies.
How do you wind down before bed?
Like to read a book or listen to calming music before bed.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 11 p.m.
Do you have a bedtime ritual?
Yes, I read a bit and plan the next day.
How do you organize your day?
I use a planner to keep track of my tasks.
Do you prefer texting or calling?
I prefer texting for quick messages and calling for longer conversations.
How often do you check social media?
I check social media a few times a day.
What hobbies do you enjoy?
I enjoy painting and gardening.
How do you keep your home tidy?
I keep my home tidy by cleaning a little each day.
How do you follow the news?
I follow the news through online articles and news apps.
How do you deal with stress?
I deal with stress by practicing deep breathing and taking breaks.
Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe now to improve your knowledge and press the bell icon to get more English improvement videos. Once again, thank you all.